guys, welcome back to my channel, and to those of you who are new, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video we're gonna be doing a bag review, and I'll be talking about my favorite PM from Louis Vuitton, and I will be talking about what I carry in this bag and then what fits in this bag, and also I will be talking about why I love this bag. So if you guys are interested and you enjoy this kind of videos, just keep on watching. First, I want to talk about the bag itself. So here is the front. It has the magnetic closure, and then this is one piece of canvas. And then here is the side. It has the leather. So this bag is my most used bag from last year and probably this year as well. So I use this bag pretty much every day for grocery shopping, quick errands. So yeah, let's start with what's in my bag. So you open the bag. Of course, I have my phone, and then here I have my key, and then of course I will have my card holder. This is Victoria's Secret and I got it from Amazon. And then I have my Milani lipstick, a chapstick, and a compact mirror. So that's pretty much what I need for like every day. So now I'm gonna show you what you can fit in this bag. So I have here my Emily wallet, and it fits perfectly in there, but it doesn't leave you so much room for anything else. But I will try my phone if it fits there, and then maybe my compact mirror and my lipstick. There you go. Now we're gonna try to close it. So as you can see, it still holds pretty good. But I don't usually put my wallet in here because I'll just use my card holder right there, and I can put more stuff in the bag. And what I like about this bag is it's very convenient to use, and of course it's a crossbody. And I love this bag so much because it has a very unique style of a crossbody, and it's very easy to deal with. You can just open and then snap like that, and it's a very strong magnet, and I never had any issue about this bag being open randomly. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, thank you so much for watching.